Hi class, I hope you're doing okay. So I have a little bit of a problem for tomorrow. Come here, Gorda. So I have this dog and something happened where she got a corn cob stuck in her something, part of her bowel and intestine, and she was just in the hospital and pretty much almost died. And so now she just got released. It's 10:30 at night, and I can't leave her alone tomorrow. Gorda, come here, Gorda. Come here, Gorda. So she's wearing an alone cone. Come here, Gorda. Come here, Gorda. Do you know this? Come here, Gorda. Okay, she's losing her mind a little bit because she's on a lot of dope. And so we have to watch her like 24/7. And I'm the only one that can stay with her tomorrow. So that means I have to cancel class tomorrow. My Kashmiri authors have agreed to pick up the topic a week from tomorrow. So I'm canceling class for tomorrow. And we will just postpone everything 1 week. The person who is on schedule for the topic discussion is Joan. And so Joan, can you just email me kind of content questions and then we'll build something out together? I apologize. This was a very big surprise that this was what was going to happen. My soon-to-be ex-husband had my dog and almost killed her. And so now I have taken custody back of my dog and we're going to be all right. But I can't come to school tomorrow. So that's my story. And when I see you a week from tomorrow, I'll have all of your VINs with feedback and what next steps are. And we'll do Kashmir. Okay? So thank you so much for understanding, and feel free to email me if you have anything to talk about. I'm happy to talk at any time tomorrow. I'll just be at home watching my dog. Thanks, guys.